What's the meaning of bairn? Bairn. Bairn.
Bairn. Bairn. Bairn is a Scottish and Northern English word used to refer to a child or a young person. It is a term of endearment and is often used in a playful or affectionate way. The word is derived from the Old Norse word barn, which means child or offspring. In Scotland, bairn is a commonly used term and is often heard in everyday conversation. The term can also be found in parts of northern England, particularly in Yorkshire and Northumberland. Overall, bairn is a charming word that conveys a sense of warmth and tenderness towards children, and is a beloved part of Scottish vernacular.